These aren't the typical drones that you see flying around for wedding photography. These are some of the coolest and most high-tech machines out there, and we'll go through every quirk and feature of each new specialized drone here. 9. Samara. The Samara is a brand new and completely unique drone with auto-rotating wings that can separate into smaller pieces for a safe and proper landing. Each wing is equipped with actuators that adjust the blade pitch to control its descent. While the smaller wings cannot currently fly on their own, the concept has the potential to be developed into a collective of drones that can break apart, navigate through obstacles, and reassemble themselves. This is an exciting idea and could be the beginning of even more self-assembling drones in the near future. We can simply wait and see how the design of the Samara drone will affect future drones. 8. Drobotron. The Drobotron, developed by Drobotron LLC in Florida, is a large flying drone designed to be like a billboard for digital advertising. It is suitable for various events such as weddings, concerts, trade shows, music videos, and sporting events, among others. This drone has a 40 by 10 inch high-resolution Luminox LED screen that can display graphics, logos, videos, and texts. Additionally, the LED screen can glow in the dark. It comes with an easy-to-use PC program system that enhances its compatibility with other electronic devices. The drone has an average flight time of 10 minutes on a single charge and is easy to assemble, disassemble, and portable with a company-provided carry kit. 7. Blimp Airship. Egan Airship's Blimp Airship drone is a unique hybrid of an aircraft and a blimp-based drone. It's a heavyweight contender in the drone market, weighing in at approximately 25 kilograms and measuring 8.5 meters long. Powered by lithium-ion batteries, it can stay airborne for up to 20 hours, fly up to 1,300 miles, and reach top speeds of 40 miles per hour. These remarkable capabilities make it ideal for use in various applications, such as aerial photography, agriculture, surveys, mining, and advertising. The Blimp Airship drone is primarily targeted at commercial drone industries. It has dynamic wings that allow it to easily hover, dip, ascend, or backspin. Its rotors are positioned horizontally, enabling it to take off vertically for forward flight. Once in the air, the wings rotate back to their original horizontal position, allowing the drone to hover easily despite its large size. In case of rotor failure, the helium-filled pin structure ensures that the drone won't crash to the ground, ensuring safer landings. 6. Hobbybird. The hummingbird-inspired Hobbybird is one of the most impressive flying robots out there. However, replicating the bird's incredible flying abilities can be challenging. Nevertheless, the robotics lab was up to the challenge and developed an impressive flying robot that can mimic the bird's movements. Although it's tethered for power and control, it's still awe-inspiring to watch. Its wings change direction more than 30 times per second thanks to decoupled wings, allowing the robot to replicate the same flapping dynamics as real hummingbirds. Moreover, the direct drives controlling the wings can double as sensors. If the robot gets too close to an obstacle or the ground, it can adjust its wings accordingly without any human intervention, preventing crashes. Ultimately, this is a remarkable achievement in drone technology. 5. Airspace LV. California-based company Airspace Systems has designed a drone specifically to track and capture unauthorized drones flying in restricted areas. Airspace LV uses advanced software algorithms, deep learning, and machine vision to detect irregularities in the sky and pursue rogue drones. The drone is equipped with a bulletproof Kevlar net that captures unwanted drones, safely bringing them to the ground. With 2 years of development invested into its creation, the Airspace LV's unique design makes it a valuable asset in protecting sensitive airspace and keeping unauthorized drones out. 4. Magma. The Magma drone is an innovative aircraft that relies on fluidic thrust vectoring instead of traditional mechanical systems. This design results in a lighter and more efficient aircraft that can roll and pitch with a prototype design. By using additional air in the exhaust nozzle to direct the main engine thrust, Magma has the potential to eliminate rudders and flaps in certain applications. As this project continues to evolve, Magma's unique design could revolutionize the aerospace industry by creating more efficient and advanced aircraft. 3. Conversion Copter. VTOL Aerospace, a California-based company, has developed a hybrid helicopter and aircraft-shaped drone called the Conversion Copter. With a wingspan that can extend up to 12.1 meters and a massive 20-amp battery, this drone can hover and fly for up to 1.5 hours. Its larger size and design makes it a valuable asset in industries such as surveillance, police search and rescue operations, and oil and gas mining. The conversion Copter's vertical takeoff and landing design, coupled with its closed-wing tilt rotor, allows for maximum efficiency, speed, and energy consumption. Its capabilities makes it an ideal drone for industries where heavy-duty and long-range drones are required to complete 6 complex missions. 2. Nimbo. The Delphi Nimbo is an upgrade from the previously released drone from Caltech called the Batbot. It boasts impressive agility and speed, with the ability to flap its wings up to 17 times per second and reach speeds of up to 16 miles per hour. While it may not be suitable for racing, the Nimbo's flight capabilities are impressive, and it can fly for around 5 minutes on self-sustained power. What's exciting about this project is that the Dutch Science Foundation NWO will finance further development, meaning we can expect more improvements. Personally, I believe this is one of the most remarkable advancements in the drone industry. 1. Ionic MIT Plane. This drone, which was developed by engineers at MIT University, is a lightweight and eco-friendly drone that does not use batteries, fossil fuels or moving parts, relying solely on ionic wind for power. The concept behind this design is not new, as it originated in the 1920s with the idea of electro-aerodynamic thrust, which demonstrated that a current passing between a thin and thick electrode can generate thrust. That's all for today's video. Which of these cool new drones would you want to use? Would you use them to fly things around, get pictures, grab deliveries? Comment down below your answers. And while you're at it, hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification for the newest videos on all the latest and coolest tech.